Once upon a time, in a vast jungle, a mighty lion lay sleeping under the shade of a tall tree. His golden mane shimmered in the sunlight, and his deep breaths echoed through the forest. Nearby, in a small hole at the base of the tree, lived a tiny mouse. One day, the little mouse came out of its hole in search of food. As it scurried around, it spotted the lion's enormous paw resting on the ground. Curious and playful, the mouse climbed onto the lion and began running up and down his strong body, tickling him with its tiny feet. Suddenly, the lion woke up with a loud roar. He was furious to find a tiny creature disturbing his sleep. With a swift movement, he caught the mouse under his huge paw. "How dare you wake me up?" the lion growled. "You are so small, yet you disturb the king of the jungle. I should crush you right now." The little mouse trembled in fear but bravely pleaded, "O mighty lion, please forgive me. I did not mean to disturb your rest. If you spare my life today, I promise to help you one day in return." The lion laughed loudly. "You? Help me? You are too small to be of any help to me." But after a moment, he took pity on the little creature. He gently lifted his paw and let the mouse go. "Run along, little one," he said with a smirk. "You are free." Days passed, and the jungle remained peaceful. But one day, the lion was wandering near the hunter's trail when he stepped into a trap. A strong net fell upon him, tightening around his body. No matter how hard he struggled, he could not break free. He roared in frustration, his powerful voice echoing through the forest. The little mouse, who was nearby, heard the lion's distressing roar and rushed to see what had happened. When it saw the lion trapped, the mouse knew it had to help. "Don't worry, my friend. I will free you," the mouse squeaked. With its tiny but sharp teeth, the mouse began gnawing at the thick ropes of the net. Bit by bit, the strands snapped. The lion remained still, watching in amazement as the little mouse worked tirelessly. Finally, after great effort, the net tore apart, and the lion stepped out, free at last. The lion looked down at the mouse with gratitude. "You have saved my life, little one. I never imagined that such a small creature could be so brave and kind. I was wrong to underestimate you." The mouse smiled and said, "Even the smallest friend can be a great help in times of need." From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends, proving that kindness is never wasted and that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. Moral: kindness is never wasted. Even small acts of goodwill can bring great rewards.